Hi, I'm architect Urvisha from Transpace, Vadodara. Today we will be discussing our project, The Box House, located in Godri area, Vadodara. The client is a very young and enthusiastic person and wanted a house for a family of 4. He has lived in a very utility-based house until now. So he desired to shift to a house which is more open and close to nature. The house is on a plot area of 4500 square feet with the road being in the south direction. It is located in a gated community surrounded by bungalows on adjoining sides. With this design, we wanted to demonstrate that even a tight plot can feel very open by bringing in nature and without compromising on the requirements. So, the main concept was to open out each space and have green pockets in sync with nature. These green pockets form different axes that visually blur the boundaries between inside and outside and enhance connectivity. The planning is simple with a distinct delineation of common, semi-private and private zones. On the ground floor, the green pocket is introduced in the form of a central courtyard. The ground floor along with the central courtyard comprises of other common areas like living, dining, kitchen and one bedroom. The courtyard continues on the first floor, which comprises of private areas. On the first floor, 3 bedrooms are connected with a common reading space overlooking the courtyard. The second floor comprises of semi-private spaces like the entertainment room. The second floor extends itself into a beautiful terrace which has a gazebo, making the space more interactive by creating a cozy nook for the family members. The central courtyard is highlighted with an umbrella tree. Further, the slit window and the skylight brings in natural light and cast sciography throughout the day. Courtyard and the garden forms a longitudinal axis framing beautiful views for the living area. The courtyard, dining and the deck form a transverse axis, giving dining the experience of being set in the greens. The dining extends itself into an outdoor deck and a water body, creating a tranquil and a zen environment for a sit-out. In the vertical direction, courtyard exudes different experiences at different levels. The interior color scheme is conceptualized to be neutral and the material palette is kept very minimal. Grey stone flooring is used against white walls and ceiling. All the furniture is either customized as per our design and handcrafted on site as per details. Wood and metal are used as key elements while developing the furniture. Against the subtle backdrops of white and grey, these materials are then overlaid with pastel furnishings and accessories. The facade of the house faces the south direction, so we have flanked it with balcony and terraces. They act as a buffer for the main functional spaces. The concept of boxes add character to the climate-responsive balcony and the window sitting. The concept of box is taken further while developing the overall design language. These boxes form the facade and frames the view outside. A very timeless material palette of brick is conceptualized for the house. A shift in material to exposed grey plaster is made to distinguish the boxes and make them stand out. Lastly, the compound wall is also done in grey to balance the brick and the grey proportions. Finally, the overall lighting of the house adds warmth to the house. To sum up, this project is an attempt to strike a balance between the attributes of form, function, and nature. Thank you for watching our project. If you have any design query, post it in the comment section below and I will be happy to personally respond as much as possible.